fish on. Alright, so we've had a fair few mils of rain recently, and as you can see the water's pretty muddy and it looks a bit horrible, but yeah, so I'm surprised of how muddy it is, honestly. So we'll see what we can get. I'm sure we'll get something and we'll cook it up later on, either today or tomorrow night for dinner. Yeah, let's see.
Something out there.
So nice and calm. Okay, we're at a zone and we're gonna try and get some live bait, aiming for some yakkas, which is one of the best baits I reckon around here. So yeah, we'll try to do that soon. Few bait. Simple sabaki rig. Nice little yakka.
Not a yakka, but something.
Oh. Alright, so we couldn't get many yakkas, only a few herring. So now we're gonna try a different zone, and we'll see how many yakkas we can get, and hopefully use them to catch a huge fish later on today. Okay, so we're on to some yakkas, some fresh yakkas. Let's go. And we'll keep going, get more. Martin just got 5. Good job. Yeah, beauty. Let's go. Alright, so we've got heaps of bait, and now we're heading out to drift along the rock wall down here. And yeah, see what we can get. Alright, so we've got a nice yakka. I'm just going to cast it out and see what we can get. Oh, he's got off, didn't he? How?
Caught on the bar.
Right.
Come up again.
There's no like bites into the body though, is there?
He might have been swimming past it. Gave it a bit of a nudge and then he got caught on those barbs.
Yeah. Okay, Dad's on first.
Dad's on first. Who's on second?
Nice Bream.
Bream Bob.
Keep going.
You got herring on it?
Yep. Come might already have taken it. Yeah, he's got it. So I thought I was onto a good fish, but then I'm onto some plastic. Do not throw your plastic in the water, guys. Dad's on. After ages. Good fatty, looks like. Oh, it's huge. Oh, Dewey. Nice. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have a quick cast of my lure while he's filming, getting a video. Oh, it's on again. Keep getting hits. Nice.
Good size.
It's bigger than the ones off North Ball we got.
It's a good soapy. Alright, just do your bail. Undo it? Yep.
Come on. Dinner.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
You can use my measure if you want. But yeah, good.
Popped out.
Okay. That's got a nice Dewey. He's gonna chuck it back now.
He's got to pick you up.
You just press that in.
Ah, yeah, but you
Is he dead? No, he's not dead.
He's slow, isn't he?
Didn't even have him. Swim away. Any moment now. Any moment now. Oh, there he goes. There he's swimming. Alright, he's gone. Alright, so just got my whole prawns, swim prawn. Tackle Tactics jig-head and just got a nice Tailor. Small little Tailor. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I'll get this one up and show ya. These spiky fish. Nice little Tailor. And yeah, we'll get the hook out, get a photo, and then we'll chuck him back in. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Get a photo. Dad, photo. I like catching little Tailor. We could use this for bait if you want. Should we use it for bait? Is it good for bait?
No, you
Actually, yeah, it's too small. Nice little Tailor. Tuck this one back. Do a nice water release. I don't know if you can see this or not. There he goes. Whew. Go. Okay, so I haven't got it on camera, but I've been catching lots of fish on the lures, and I haven't been recording me getting hit, so I'm going to record that now. Just then. Oh, something's on it. Oh, something's on it again. Something is always following it in. I'm no joke. something's always following in. Like just then, I had fish just take a bite of it. It's so annoying today. Every time I've turned my camera on, I've lost fish. So I've been trying not to turn my camera on, but I want to film for you guys. So hopefully you can get something on camera. I see, I'm telling you, every time, there's always nothing. Surely. I've literally just been reeling it in. And I've been getting them. Alright, see, I'm going to turn the camera off now. And you watch. I'm going to catch another fish without recording. And I'll let you guys know. Dad just caught a huge bream. Wow. Wow. Don't put it in my bag. Put it over here. Oh my goodness. So we've got our dinner here, guys.
Donkey.
Well done. Let's get the measure. You can use my measure if you want. I'm gonna have to get both sides out. Donka. What's our guesses? 30. I reckon 40. Yeah. No.
Maybe even 40.
Right. Let's have a look.
41, 42, I reckon.
That's right.
Not my wife.
Let's get this lure back in here.
You don't want to come in.
Right. 38 maybe?
39.
39.
39, mate, that's pretty good. Yeah.
Dinner.
Close to 40.
Look at that. Huge.
That little creature.
Just off here. What do you say, Dad?
Huh?
What do you say?
That's killing.
That's killing. Just wait there for a minute. It'll come up and sit up there, so 2 hands on that. Might get you to come to the back of that one.
Back of the boy? We're driving. Woo!
Boy,
Huh?
come to the boy.
Am I just stopping here?
You slow down a bit. See the little marker boy there?
Yeah.
Just stick, just go like that.
Oh, there. I've been there before. So much live bait here too. There's live bait here, isn't there?
Yeah.
How am I going in? Just here, or are we going in? Or
Slow down now, we'll stop just a minute back here.
yeah, okay. Turn her off, or
Now I'll just knock in right one. Just go over there for a sec.
yeah,
And
alright.
then we can set up.
Good stuff. It's been about 2 hours. I have not caught a thing. Oh, Marty just got on. I haven't got anything. Yeah. What is it? A little 20 centimeter brim?
25.
That's legal.
25.
Another one to cook.
Another one back to dust.
3's good, I reckon. And then wrap it up. Absolutely nothing. Yeah. Thumbnail photo. Get 3 nice bream to cook up. Nothing much been caught today actually. So what was caught was started off with a nice big bream, and then I went over to a lure and caught a nice little Tailor on a Holt prawn, and yeah, other than that it's just been good in the 30s bream caught. So nice 4.5 hour session. Not the best session. Could catch more, but if we didn't have any rain, we could have actually caught some good fish. And yeah. So cold. Right. So while Dad's filleting the fish, I'm gonna throw out again the swim prawn, because these are so good. If you haven't already got some, you need to get some whole production swim prawns. Honestly, today I got hit so many times and I got so many fish on. Oh, look at all the birds. Okay, so yeah, like I said, Uncle Martin's cleaning down the boat. Dad's filleting. In a minute, I'm just gonna have a few flicks of, as I said, the best soft plastic in the whole of the soft plastic world. So yes, also sorry again. I don't think this video is the best as it could have been, but yeah, there wasn't really that much action today, so it was a bit hard to film and stuff, but at least it's a nice shortish video, and yeah, see what we can do. Yeah. This morning actually, we went out at North Wall, which is just a long wall along Ballina, and caught a decent bream, 35 centimeters. I was gonna keep it, but we thought we'd catch some better fish than just bream on the boat today. And yeah. So, and then I also caught my first ever eastern kelp fish. I didn't know what it was, but searched it up, then found out what it was. But so spiky looking fish. But yeah. Right. Nothing really much here. I'll keep casting, but in the meantime, I'm gonna put you over to Dad, and he's gonna fillet the fish for the cook up for tomorrow night's dinner.
Yeah.
Right, so this is what we got from the 3 Bream. So from 6 really nice big fillets. Now Dad's gonna skin them. Right, so we've skinned these baits and we're gonna fry these, and we've got 1 fillet to oven bake. Okay, so I've dug into half the fish. Just absolutely amazing. And look at that perfect meat. This bream is just so amazing to eat. So good. Well, thank you guys for watching another video, and I'll see you in the next one.